Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vegetable smoothie. Start with a liquid base like water or plant milk. Add leafy greens first, then harder vegetables. Blend until smooth, adding more liquid if needed. This ensures a creamy texture and prevents your blender from struggling, making the process much easier for you. For a balanced smoothie, pair spinach or kale with cucumber and celery. A small amount of apple or banana can enhance taste. Don't forget a tablespoon of chia seeds or a quarter of an avocado for added nutrients and creaminess. These additions make your smoothie both delicious and incredibly satisfying. Consider adding a teaspoon of spirulina or a half-inch piece of ginger for a health boost. A pinch of cinnamon or fresh mint can elevate the flavor profile. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, use less liquid. For a thinner one, add more. Experiment to find your perfect consistency and taste. To achieve the smoothest texture, blend softer ingredients first, then add harder ones. Always taste your smoothie before serving and adjust sweetness or tartness. Leftovers can be refrigerated for up to 24 hours, but making it fresh ensures the best flavor and nutrient retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.